Good morning. It is Wednesday morning. It is 7 a.m. I just let all the chickens and ducks out. And I'm going to work on water in the garden. All the kids are still in bed, so I'm just going to have some quiet time out here in the yard and get some watering done early and probably go ahead and feed and water a bunch of animals while kids just sleep, because I know they're probably really wore out from the pool still. So anyways, I'm going to get busy and get some plants watered.
A buzz on and my favorite song is playing in a Broadway bar. Then you walk in and you're all alone, the hottest in the room by far. And you look up and our eyes lock and my heart falls straight out of my chest, baby. Your lips and your sweet smile, let me kiss it till I die. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of
Okay, so I got all of this areas watered, but over here I didn't water yet. I really need to weed it and it's already dewy right now. So I'm gonna wait and get this all cleaned up. And then once I get this cleaned up, I'll come through and water it. But since I've got to wait for the dew to kind of dry before I work, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of Shiloh and some bunnies this morning.
And I don't ever wanna leave. The bed's messed up just right. So we make love and we make plans, and God knows that I'm all about it. We're up high, never coming down, baby, just you and I. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. I've known it since I met you. This love, it was a breakthrough. For the rest of our days, we'll be everything we wanna be. For the rest of our lives. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. It's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. It's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. A buzz on and my favorite song is playing in a Broadway bar. Then you walk in and you're all alone, the hottest in the room by far. And you look up and our eyes lock and my heart falls straight out of my chest, baby. Your lips and your sweet smile, let me kiss it till I die. For the rest of our lives, yes, you and me were meant to be. For the rest of our lives, drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see.
Okay, got all the bunnies fed and the horse water's still filling up. So I wanted to show you guys something real quick that we do for our bunnies. When it's hot outside, we take these Powerade bottles, put them in the freezer in the morning, and in the afternoon when it hits about 100, we can put these frozen in their pens and they can lay on it or just lay near it, and it kind of cools down their pen, cools them down so that our bunnies don't overheat. So if you live somewhere that it's hot and you have rabbits outside, these small ones, 2 liters, whatever you have room for in your freezer, are a lifesaver for your rabbits. Okay, I'm gonna go check Shiloh's water and see if it's full yet, so I can come water some bunnies.
Drop your guard and take a ride with me, 'cause you got what I want, oh, and I got what you need. For the rest of our lives, it's gonna be a done deal, just wait and see. I've known it since I met you. This love, it was a breakthrough. For the rest of our days, we'll be everything we want to be.
Okay, so rabbits are watered, and I'm gonna get inside and get some pancakes prepped for breakfast this morning, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower and wait for the kids to get up to actually start breakfast. For breakfast this morning, I'm going to use some of this strawberry syrup with our pancakes, and I'm also going to make some Mabel breakfast links.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it.
Now I'm making up a gallon of lemonade for the kids to drink on throughout the day today. Okay, so I am headed to urgent care with Miss Penny. She has a fever and an earache, and so we're going to get her checked out. She might have just swimmer's ear or something going on, but just want to make sure she's all right. She never really gets sick, so just kind of worried about her, and yeah, get her checked out and get back home.
We don't need no more.
That's the one you like?
Yeah, it's cute.
It is cute. And I got my stuff.
Let's go.
Let's see. How about we get you some gel pens? Those are neat looking. They change colors. Let's get you those. I used to have those when I was little, back before a long time ago. Alright, so I just woke up from like a 2.5 hour nap. Didn't even know I was tired. So I'm headed out the door. CJ has a mowing job he has to do. So I'm going to take him to do that. Come back home, and while he's doing his mowing job, the rest of the kids and I are going to clean some house. And for dinner tonight, we are just going to do a refrigerator clean out. We have all kinds of leftovers in there, and the fridge really needs cleaned. So if I take out all the leftovers, they can eat what they want, and then I'll clean the fridge and go through the leftovers and all that in the process. And that'll be dinner tonight. It'll be easy, and kind of check something off my majorly needs done list. So anyways, we're gonna get going. Okay, I took out all the leftovers so everybody can pick what they want, but James, Penny, and Maddie also wanted a fried egg with the corn and the sliced cheese that they wanted for dinner tonight. As for leftovers, we have some pasta salad, we have Brussels sprouts, we have corn, we have pancakes, we also have some fish left over, and then we were slicing up some cheese for the ones that want sliced cheese, and I have some leftover baked chicken as well. I had some leftover salmon and some pasta salad for dinner. Okay, thank you guys so much for coming along with us today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. If you haven't already, stick around, check out some more videos after this one, and I will see you guys soon with another new video. Bye.